Let me ask you straight, ilang beses ka na ba sumweldo tapos after 2 weeks, ubos na agad? Ilang OFWs ang lumalayo sa pamilya pero after 10 or 15 years abroad, wala pa ring ipon? Ilang breadwinners ang nagtatrabaho araw at gabi pero laging may utang? This is the brutal truth. 85% of Filipinos don't have enough savings to last even 3 months without income, according to Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas 2022 Consumer Finance Survey. That's the reality. Ang kung hindi natin ayusin, 2026 will arrive the same way. Pagod, paycheck to paycheck, walang progress. Financial literacy is not a nice to have. It's a survival skill. Sa panahon ngayon, kung wala ka nito, you will always be stuck. Financial literacy means understanding how money works, how you earn it, spend it, save it, protect it, invest it, and grow it. Pero bakit nga ba mahalaga ito? Hi guys, I'm Vince from Rise Filipreneurs. I wear many hats. Content creator, virtual assistant, entrepreneur, daddy, and someone na mahilig mag-experiment sa YouTube, Facebook, Canva courses, and business ads. Pero itong channel na to, I built it for 2 main reasons. One, syempre part din siya ng side hustle ko. Kasi sino bang ayaw ng extra income, di ba? 2, pero higit pa doon, I want to share real and tested knowledge about financial literacy. Knowledge na pinaghirapan ko for years through research, actual experience, and mistakes na ayoko nang maulit sa iba. Why am I doing this? Kasi I believe na working hard or even working smart at work is not enough anymore. Oo, kikita ka ng pera pero mabilis lang ding naubos, hindi nag-grow. And that's exactly what we will fix sa 30-day money challenge na to. So welcome to day 1, bakit mahalaga ang financial literacy? Let's break it down systematically. Now 1, control over your cash flow. Imagine your money like water. Kung walang gripo at tubo, agos lang ito kahit saan. That's what happens to Filipinos without financial literacy. We keep earning pero parang tubig na tumatagas, ubos agad. Fact, BSP reports that only 25% of adult Filipinos keep a written budget. Source, BSP Financial Inclusion Report 2021. Kung walang budget, walang direction. You'll always feel like kulang ang pera. Now, here's a simple question for you. Kung may 20 pesos ka sa wallet mo ngayon, alam mo ba kung saan mapupunta bukas? If your answer is hindi ko sure, then that's exactly why financial literacy is important. 2, protection against debt traps. Let's be honest, credit cards, buy now, pay later, 5-6 loans, lahat yan parang trap. Without literacy, akala mo easy solution. Pero in reality, lumulubog ka. Example, a call center agent earning 25,000 a month na may 3 credit cards. Sweldo pa lang, halos kalahati pambayad ng minimum balance. Akala niya normal. Pero dahil walang literacy, hindi niya alam na that cycle is a debt trap. Fact, 1 out of 2 Filipinos borrow money just to cover daily needs according to World Bank Philippines Financial Capability Survey 2020. Here's a question. Do you own money or does money own you? Financial literacy gives you the power to answer, I own my money. 3, building for the future. Financial literacy is the foundation of retirement, investments, and wealth. Kung wala ka nito, you'll always think investing is only for mayayaman. Pero the truth, hindi totoo. Even small steps like saving 50 day can grow over time. Let's say nag-start ka ng 1,500 month in a simple mutual fund with 8% return. In 20 years, that's already 880,000 plus. That's almost 1 million from just 50 day. Pero without financial literacy, hindi mo makikita ang ganitong opportunities. 4, Pinoy struggles. Now let's make it relatable. OFWs. You send money home pero walang naiipon. Bakit? Wala kasing system for savings and investing. Young professionals, first sweldo, gadget agad. Next year, utang agad. Jeepney drivers, malakas ang kita pag araw ng sweldo pero pag lean days, wala. Students, hindi marunong mag-budget sa baon. Financial literacy is not just about math. It's about discipline, mindset, and system. The BSP, World Bank, and even the Department of Finance are all pushing financial literacy programs kasi they know kapag hindi financially literate ang Pinoy, the whole economy suffers. So remember, financial literacy, control of cash flow plus, protection from debt plus, preparation for future plus, discipline for growth. Kung wala nito, wala kang laban. Pero with it, kahit simpleng sahod, pwede mong gawing puhunan para umangat. And that's why we're starting this 30-day money challenge. Day 1 pa lang tayo, pero every day starting today hanggang day 30, I'll give you bite-sized, practical, and tested financial lessons na designed for Filipinos. Check the description below. Nandun ang full list of daily topics from budgeting to debt management, insurance basics, hanggang wealth building at future planning. Kung lagi mong nakikita ang video na ito sa feed mo, maybe it's not an accident. Maybe this is the sign you've been waiting for. So subscribe now, hit the bell icon, and don't miss a single day. Libre lahat to. You don't have to pay thousands for seminars. Just watch, learn, and apply. This is day 1. Tomorrow, day 2. Ano ang mindset ng isang financially free na Pinoy? See you there.